Greetings of the day. Being a teacher, what we are teaching to the students and what they are learning. This is the point of today's discussion, and I have some question for you. Right? So, we being a teacher share the information with the student. Is it true? No. We not only share the information with the student, we also add the human values into that. And not only information, we judge the information, is this correct for the society, to uplift the status, mental level of the components of the society in terms of the people. Being a teacher, we judge that the information can uplift the status of our student, or the impact of this information when our student will execute it, does it will beneficial for the society? Does my students will be able to judge the impact of it in a positive or negative way? Does they have these values with them? A teacher basically add this thing also with the information of the subject. He judge the information. Is this information is correct? Is this information right? Is this information wrong? He judge all perspective of the information, and along with the information he share the human values. He always encourage for the betterment of the society. Now the point is only that there are so many people here, those who share the information about number of things. So today, in the present perspective, those who share the information about large number of things, are they knowledgeable? Are they intelligent? Yes, no doubt. I am not raising the question on the validity of their intelligence. I am just making the difference between the teacher and a normal person who share the information. Yes, I am saying that those who share the information with a group of people, they are really intelligent. They keep remember all the facts about the information, irrespective to judge the positive and negative parts of that, and sometimes they may be aware, but they never add the human values into the information. If they are doing such, if they are doing this, they are really teacher. If they are just sharing the information and only information without judging the impact of that information on the society, they are not really teacher. Teacher basically see the impact of the information, judge the information, and add the human values into the information. So a person who whenever execute the shape of that information, we able that the impact of it will be positive or negative on the society. Otherwise what happens, many times you have seen that people execute the information in a physical shape, and that can damage the environment and the surroundings. So with the high value person, if execute the information, they will be basically beneficial for the society, and this work, this responsibilities of teacher, and teacher always do this work. This is our responsibility being a teacher, that we make aware the people, a group of people who are associated with us, that we tell them that this information is right, this is wrong, and these are the human values. You have to add both these, by which they be beneficial for the society. So here, this is one of the point, that we, being a teacher, not just share the information, we have to add the values to uplift the society and the students.